I guess, Brooke.
A beautiful Saturday, a little breezy at times, of course, but mainly just dry weather all across, drier air in place. It does not last very long, so get out there tonight and enjoy it. Of course, be safe out there. So let's look at our radar 1 hour time lapse. I am watching these few showers offshore. Notice a movement off to the southwest, so anywhere between Vero Beach all the way down to Fort Pierce, you guys could see a few passing showers a little after 8 p.m. because they are moving on the slower end. But other than that, most of us do stay dry for tonight. So looking good. Again, if you have any plans on this Saturday, what a beautiful setup for that sunset already. Sun setting a little earlier each and every night, but very quiet conditions. Again, not expecting to see much rain, although it is still breezy and those winds do stick around for tonight. So northeast wind 18 miles per hour. We've also seen some winds gusting stronger at times, but there's that humidity down to 61%. So very pleasant for that walk with the dog later on. We do stay mainly dry throughout most of the overnight hours. So there's a look at the 12-hour forecast heading into the 6 a.m. hour. If you're an early riser, temperatures into the 70s to mid to upper 70s, and still a little bit of that dry air, but by the afternoon we are going to see a lift and an increase in moisture, so you are going to notice a bit of a difference tomorrow compared to today. Warm and moisture returning, so a good chance to see some isolated to scattered showers, maybe not in the morning, but for the later second half of the afternoon, that's when I do expect to see a little bit more coverage. By around 11 o'clock, I still think clouds do linger around, hitting the later half of the afternoon, right around 4 p.m. A few hit or miss showers, but as we get closer to sundown, that's when we start to see a little bit more activity building in. Heavy rain at times, isolated thunderstorm or two can't be ruled out, and this does go into the overnight hours. So very isolated. Not everyone will have the rain late tomorrow into early Monday morning, so something to take note of. Here's another thing that we are watching. Nothing yet, but in the upcoming days ahead, we could see an area of low pressure possibly developing in the Caribbean near Jamaica. We will keep an eye on this as it could drift off to the north. Right now, a lot of disagreement with the models, but here's one area that we're watching a little bit more agreement with, that this can become a tropical system late today, early tomorrow, although it will stay mainly out to sea. And if it does develop, eventually, the next name on the list is Epsilon. Remember, we're already in the Greek alphabet. So tonight, temperatures in the 70s. Look for partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, we do have the mid 80s returning. And then over the next several days, we do have the mid to upper 80s back by Tuesday. Drier conditions midweek, although the breeze does stick around all the way through Thursday. And that's your first warning forecast.
All right.